Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is an explanation. I didn't want to do that in the other two videos because I know you like the challenge to try it by yourself, like me. The tip is, I take that one here first to show how it works. You take the middle one of these torque wrenches. There were two delivered with a long end on each side. That is the same, I think, but there's a small one. Forget these. Take the middle one. Yeah, how to do it. Right, you have your lock. You put it like normally in the upper part, yeah, but you don't put strain on. You just put into the lower part where the pins are and turn it. Keep that strain and pull it a bit up. Now pull it a bit out without losing the strain. Done that now. It should actually open up now. I lost it because you must not lose the strain while pulling it out. Yeah. So you pull it in, pull it up, and now it's open, and turn it. You wiggle a bit. It is actually the same procedure like with the rake. How I do it with the rake, I put that up, put strain on it a bit, the right amount of power. Then you go with the rake in, yeah, and then you go up, you lose that and pull it out a bit and try to open it like this. So that is how I do it. I go then up and then turn it. And you do the same actually with the torque wrench. Again, you go in, push the pins, turn. Then you go up and you go a bit out. Wiggle it. Should open now. If you don't do it in the first time, you can start again, turn. Easy. Yeah, you go then, when you're in here, you go down, turn, and go up, and pull it a bit out, and keep the strain, and then turn it. Because the pins are holding, you know, that entire lock when you put strain on it. Yeah, in, over, and a bit out, but don't lose the strain and don't put too much on it. Now, show with that. It's the same here. You go in, you push the pins up and align them. Pull it out a bit, and then it's open. That is how you do it.